Good morning everyone, and welcome to another daily edition of me and Mr. Bluebean. As you can see, it is peeing it down, so me and Mr. Bluebean are not going for a daily dog walk. It is my mum's birthday and it's bonfire night, so I'm going to go and start the process of getting all nice and glam. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So what do you think? Ready to go to the party? Take you along for the ride as well, guys. See what I've got in store for my mum. She doesn't know I've got her a cake, but we might be doing that at home after we've been for the meal and we come back. So watch this space. See you at the pub. Well, we're here, guys. This is where we're coming for my mum's birthday. Fireworks are going off left, right and centre. Feel like you're in Iraq. It's very pretty, isn't it?
I'm getting muddy feet.
That's Mother Dearest. That's the birthday girl. She's not looking bad for 66, is she?
Military website. They tell you all the different places we've got all our things and what's going on. Everything's all on there. It's all offering.
Birthday girl.
Thank you.
Don't employ her for MI5 for sake. You try and do something on the down low. What a waste of time. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mum.
Mummy.
Happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you very much.
You didn't expect that?
Oh, Father.
Hey! You see him, Dad? That's why I said she can't work for MI5 because she forgot within 5 minutes. She said
on about MI5.
she said the code word. We said we say pizza and you bring the bloody pizza. You know, it's a cake, not a pizza. And so Paul's going pizza, and she's like, "We stopped serving." You know what I mean?
That's like trying to keep them on the down low.
You know what I mean?
The what?
And that's why I said
Cake out.
to smash my head on the bloody side.
She's hard to do some stuff.
See?
Don't want a secret code, did it?
Well, that's what it was meant to
That's
be.
what it was meant. Pizza was cake. Oh my God, she's got a knife.
Mother, your knife big enough. It's bonfire night, Halloween.
Yeah, we've had Halloween, Mum.
Nah, that's more Michael Myers. 2, 4, 6. The 10 of us.
8.
8.
Looks like she's picking a nose with it.
It's in
That's a
that
long shot. Look at
picture.
that.
My nose, look.
Oh my God. We can't win.
That's it, bonfire night. Gosh, whose is this?
She obviously don't like sharing, guys.
Anybody's cake. Who wants some cake?
What's inside
I'm cutting it.
I don't know. Sponge.
Your mum can't eat it.
It's a carnival.
That's a proper piece. What happened to mine? Yeah. Done again.
No, we'll order a pizza one. I should come up with
So yeah, she forgot the code word, what messed the whole surprise up. But other than that, it's been a good night. Now you can't see me. Typical. Say thank you to everyone who's been liking and subscribing to the channel. Hope you enjoyed something different. So guys, I've just tried again because the light kept going off. So just wanted to say thank you for everyone who's been liking and subscribing to the channel, and to the 41 extra subscribers. Thank you for joining Team Mr. Bluebean. And I hope you've enjoyed tonight's video in celebrating my mum's 66th birthday. And on that note, take care. Bye for now.